How to get more lives in Toon. Now, usually in this game, lives isn't really something you worry about since there are a lot of ways you can get these lives. So, as long as you play the game, you'll get these kinds of lives, the unlimited lives, but these are durational. So the first thing you can do is here in the bottom left, which is the shop. You get packs or bundles that do include these limited time, unlimited heart thingies or lives. So as you can see for here in the mega bundle, there's a 6 hour unlimited live thingy. So in the span of 6 hours, you will have unlimited lives, which is technically a way to get more lives. But in this case, it is unlimited. There is events as well in this game, limited time events or just unique events that allows you to get hearts. Most of the rewards though is durational lives. That doesn't really give you the specific amount. If you want that, there's in the team section, you can go ahead and request for some lives and you can give lives as well and it doesn't cost you anything. And you can only receive 5 lives per request. And there's also in the card section, but just put in mind completing the game or levels does give you rewards, which could include lives and of course finishing limited time events. There are times where in these events it allows you to get these lives, but those are basically the most common ways to get lives in Toon Blast. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.